This is Tyler Krompiatek from COLI at Canisius with a quick tip for faculty. In this video, we show you how to set the default behaviors of Dropbox and discussion availability dates in D2L. Let's get started. Go to Edit Course in the D2L course navbar. On the Edit Course page, click on Availability Date Defaults in the Site Setup section. This will be to the left of Course Offering Information. In the page that appears, you can set the availability date defaults for Dropboxes and discussions. Let's go through the available options quickly. Visible with Access Restricted will make it so students can only see the title of the activity before and after the specified dates. They will also not be able to submit the assignment before the start date or after the end date. Visible with Submission Restricted is similar to the previous option. However, instead of only seeing the title before the start date or after the end date, students will also be able to see the activity's description. Hidden will hide the activity before the start date and after the end date. Students will only be able to access the activity between the start and end dates. For both discussions and Dropboxes, I would recommend setting the default to Visible with Submission Before Start for the Before Start Date options, and Visible with Submission Restricted After End for the End Date options. This will allow students to prepare for the activity if they wish to and be able to quickly find the activity later on in the course for review. When you are done, click on Save. Then make sure that the settings that you chose have taken. Go to the Dropbox tab in the course navbar. Create a new folder. Click on Availability Dates and Conditions. Add a start date and an end date. If you followed along with this tutorial, it should say Visible with Submission Restricted underneath both dates. I'll add a description and then quickly add the Dropbox to a module. Then I will switch over to the student preview all instructors at Canisius have in D2L and preview the course activity. Finally, I will go through the same steps to ensure that discussions have the same default. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.